In aeronautics, aviation maintenance technicians keep aircraft in safe flying condition by servicing, repairing, and overhauling aircraft components, while following detailed regulations set by the Federal Aviation Administration. These components and systems include the airframe, piston engines, turbine engines, electrical systems, hydraulic systems, propellers, rigging, instrumentation, and warning and environmental systems.
My name is Karen Lenox, and I am the program chair for the A&P program here at Spartan College. And in 2004, I arrived on this campus to do my own education. It was the best thing I ever did for my entire life. I was raising 3 children at the time, single mother, and I changed my life coming here and stepping on this ground. The training that we provide here at the school is a basic knowledge of theory. Half of the schooling is all theory, and learning rules, regulations, and they learn hands-on. They learn all the way from what a wire is and how to connect that up to putting an engine together, running an engine, and running an aircraft. So it's a little bit of everything for the 18 months that they're here, and then they'll specialize and go to where they want to. They all have these goals that they're all searching for together, which makes them also very close and very family-oriented all the way through. It is absolutely mind-blowing to know that you're a part of touching that aircraft so that people can go fly day in and day out, and you are a huge part of getting them from point A to point B safely. It's a very, very huge honor.
At Spartan College of Aeronautics and Technology, Broomfield campus, Airframe and Power Plant is aligned with the needs of industry, and graduates are prepared for entry-level positions in aerospace and related fields. If you're interested in learning more about Spartan College of Aeronautics and Technology, Broomfield campus's Airframe and Power Plant training, please give us a call. An admissions representative will be happy to assist you.